You see, like I said, our own mandate is to assess, collect, and account and remit to the federal government for it to be shared. But let me just give you an example of one of the taxes that we collect, which is the education tax, of which we do that on behalf of, the TED fund. If you go to our tertiary institutions across the country, you will visibly see where taxpayers' money is working. That is one of the, signs where you see it working there. And don't forget that at the Federal Accounts and Allocations Committee, FRS provides over 60% of the monies that have been shared there. And these monies are shared between the federal, the states, and the local governments, of which is what the state governors use, in doing their own businesses, providing infrastructure, paying salaries, in addition to their own internally generated revenue. So taxpayers' monies are really working in the system, because that is the only source of income for the country. So all these monies that we collect on behalf of these taxpayers are kind of a social contract between the government, the taxpayers, the tax users, and people even handling the taxes, the collection of the taxes. So collectively, you can all see these things visibly. So if taxpayers can be more more professional in their tax dealings, come to voluntarily declare and pay, more revenues will accrue to government. And of course, that money will be used, of course, to tackle the insecurity, to provide the necessary infrastructure and all that. Because there are some countries that solely depend on, on revenue, in fact, worldwide. So Nigeria is not an exception.